What's up, y'all? Back at another again with another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to make mock-ups like this. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, first you wanna look up brand Bible. Then you wanna go to the t-shirt mock-ups. Pick a t-shirt like this. Then you wanna go to Kittle. Make your design from scratch. After you make your design, download your design, then you want to go to Pixlr. Then you want to open the image and look for your mock-up and put it on there. Then look for your design and put it on there. And you're gonna click the white spaces out and alright, peace, y'all. Tune in to the next video. Like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Comment down below.